Hello and welcome. In this how to draw video, we're going to be drawing a
rainbow fish.
That's right, a cute rainbow fish. So we hope you follow along and have lots of fun. Before we get started, we're going to need some drawing supplies. We're going to need a marker to do the drawing, something to draw on some paper, and something to colour in as well.
You can use markers, pencils, crayons, oil pastels.
Yeah, anything you like,
or
basically.
paint.
Yeah. All right, so are you ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get started. All right, so we've got our paper here, and I think the first thing we're going to draw is the body of our fish. Okay, so this fish is going to be a bit of a oval sort of shape.
But the cheek is going to be a sideways.
Yeah,
I
think we're going to make a little cheek on one side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start on the top half. So we're going to do a big semicircle. So we'll go up here like this and around like that. And then we're going to do another semicircle, but on this side here, it was going to have a little bit of a cheek, so it's going to stick out.
Bump.
That's right.
Kind of looks like a circle, but it's not a circle.
Yeah, there we go. Alrighty. Very good. Great, that is looking good. Now, I think the next thing we're going to draw is some his tail and his fins.
Scales?
Yeah, we'll do the scales a little bit later, and that's we're going to colour in all the rainbow colours. So the tail at the back is going to be two, kind of like two U shapes like this.
But kind of a V.
Yeah, it's kind of a V, isn't it? Yeah. And then another one like this.
Kind of a heart.
It does kind of look like a bit of a squashed heart, actually, if you turn it sideways like that. Cool. Okay, and then we're going to have a big fin on the top, and this is going to be a nice
U.
Yeah, U-shaped curve like that. Very good. And then we're going to have two smaller fins on the bottom. One on this side and the other one on that side. Do this one a little bit smaller because it's on the back. Cool. Alrighty.
I can put the details for the fin.
That's right. We're going to put all the
And the
details.
tail.
Yeah, and all of that. So first of all, I'm going to draw a line in the middle. This is going to separate the face from the body.
Yeah.
So we'll do a bit of a curve like this, and then he's got his other cheek on the other side, so it goes around like that. There we go. Wonderful. All right, I'm going to give him some eyes. I'm going to do two eyes here.
Little ovals.
Nice ovals. You can colour these in whatever you like. I like to colour these black. And what I do is I do another small circle on the top. So it looks like he's got some highlights in his eye.
Then we colour in the big circles.
Yeah, if you want to, yeah. Cool. Now, this is a happy fish because he's a rainbow fish. So I'm going to give him a big smile.
And then blessy cheeks.
Yeah, so it's a big smile. It's just a U shape there. And then in between his eyes and his mouth, we're going to do
A nice
a
big
few
circle.
circles. And that's his, you can have blushy cheeks. Yeah. All right, so next part we're going to do, I think we're going to put some details on his fins. So all I'm going to do is do a couple of lines like this. And we'll do some on his tail as well. I think we'll do two on his tail. There we go. Excellent. And then the last part is on his body here.
Scale.
I'm going to do scales. And it's just going to be lots of U shapes again. Yeah, it's all the same sort of shapes. And we're going to do lots of these different. You can just randomly fill it up with all these U shapes, and then later on when you colour it, you can do each one of these a different colour if you like, or the same colour. It's really up to you. Okay, we'll just keep going like that until we fill up the whole body. Cool.
Now it's time to color.
That's right, so we've done all the lines, so next part is to colour it in. So we're going to fast forward this part, but we'll see you back very soon. Okay, and we're back. We've finished colouring them in, and I think they look wonderful. Are you happy with those?
Yep.
Awesome. So what I like to do is, with this fish you can add lots and lots of colours, so make them nice and bright and like a rainbow. But you can add other details, like Natasha, you've actually made them under the sea, you give them bubbles, you give all other little bits and pieces in there as well. You can also draw other fish as well. Well, we hope you had a lot of fun, and if you want to see more of those, you can check out our other videos. Like this video if you want to. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.